Here we go, Lover's Cove.
What?
Yeah. Which is just there. That's where you get down the steps. There's they're paying to see it through the bottom of the boat. There's our cruise liner there, and there's Avalon. Here we are. It's the steps. There's the cove. Quite nice. No, they cleared out all the reef, didn't they, or something? There's a guy snorkeling there, so gotta be something, right?
It was last time.
We've got the GoPro, so we're waterbound. Oh, it's freezing! It's bloody freezing! It's freezing! How can anyone go in here? Well, we've made a pact to see some fishies, and we have to deliver through with the pact. Okay, well, let's do this. One animal.
You going in? Look at the fish.
Oh, oh, ow. You okay? Oh, let me help you.